Hi students, today we're going to do some word building. We're going to use consonants and consonant blends to make words with the following endings. So the first ending we're going to do is a Y. So I'm going to choose R and type in the word ray, R-A-Y. Then I'm going to go to the ending E-A-M, and I'm going to use the consonant blend CR, and I'm going to type in the word cream. Then for IGHT, I am going to use the letter L and type in the word light. Then for OLD, I'm going to use the letter G and type in the word gold. Then for UE, I'm going to use the consonant blend CL and type in the word clue. Happy word building!